Welcome to Money Magnet channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of social media management. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or simply looking to boost your online presence, mastering social media can have a profound impact on your success. But where do you start? That's what we're here to explore. From defining your goals to engaging with your audience, we'll walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your social media strategy. So grab your notebook and let's dive in. 1. Define goals. Begin by clearly defining your objectives for using social media. Are you aiming to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or provide customer support? Setting specific, measurable goals will guide your strategy and help you evaluate your success. 2. Choose platforms. Research and identify the social media platforms where your target audience spends the most time. Consider demographics, interests, and behaviors to determine which platforms align best with your goals. For example, if you're targeting a younger audience, platforms like Instagram or TikTok might be more suitable, while LinkedIn might be better for B2B marketing. 3. Create profiles. Once you've selected your platforms, create professional and engaging profiles that accurately represent your brand. Use high-quality images, consistent branding elements such as logos and colors, and compelling descriptions that communicate your brand's unique value proposition. 4. Develop content strategy. Your content strategy should outline the types of content you'll create, the topics you'll cover, and how often you'll post. Consider the interests and preferences of your target audience, as well as current trends and industry news. Content can include blog posts, videos, infographics, user-generated content, and more. 5. Schedule content. Utilize social media management tools to schedule your posts in advance. This allows you to maintain a consistent posting schedule, even during busy times. Experiment with different posting times to determine when your audience is most active and engaged. 6. Engage with audience. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions in a timely manner. Encourage conversations, ask questions, and seek feedback to foster a sense of community and loyalty. Monitoring social media mentions and hashtags related to your brand can also help you identify opportunities for engagement. 7. Analyze and adjust regularly. Analyze your social media performance using built-in analytics tools or third-party software. Track key metrics such as reach, engagement, click-through rate, and conversions to evaluate the effectiveness of your strategy. Use this data to identify trends, understand what content resonates with your audience, and make data-driven adjustments to optimize your results. 8. Stay updated. Social media platforms are constantly evolving with new features, algorithms, and trends emerging regularly. Stay informed by following industry news, attending webinars, and participating in online communities. Adapt your strategy accordingly to take advantage of new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. By following these steps and continuously refining your approach, you can effectively manage your social media presence and achieve your business objectives. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide to social media management helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Money Magnet for more tips and tutorials on digital marketing and entrepreneurship. Until next time, stay tuned and keep mastering your social media game. See you in the next video.